Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a paper claw. First, you guys do this. Like this. Then take this triangle, the one you just made, that thing, whatever you made, like this thing, and just do that to make it like a house shape. And then just take your piece near to the house shape, just make a triangle like that, and then do another triangle like that, and then just do this that way. Just follow the triangles that you made onto this. Now it's a triangle, and you're almost about to be done with making a paper claw. Then close that like this. Now you see it is a triangle like this, but on the triangle you do not, guys, on the triangle, that's a tricky part. Do not do anything else after you're done with the triangle. Just open it, and when it's like that, if you open it this way, it will be, if you open it backwards, you have to open it like this. Then just take your piece of paper and just do that. Then turn it around just like this. You see it is a kind of shape of of something, and then just do this. Now you see it is something, and then just before putting it in the hole, just make a triangle and put it in the hole like that. And I will tell you which way how to put it. Do not put it like this. Put your paper claw like this. Thanks guys for watching, and please subscribe, and please watch how to make a paper boat and how to make a paper airplane. Bye guys. See you next time.